What do you do? I was like, no, listen. I was like, I'll be. Oh my gosh, like.
Are you guys almost ready?
I'm waiting for Armindo. How do you do this? Oh, how did you find out how to do the flash on the thing? Right, Dad, you're gonna mess up the center. Dad, you're gonna mess up the center.
Oh, it's yeah, right.
No, you weren't. Get back. You and Max are in my
Wait,
square.
do it again.
You and Max are in my square. Okay, ready. Are you? You put right, Dad. You is in my square. Max is in my square. Now. Okay, put that one.
Ready, guys?
Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. All right.
All right, you know I've been filming for like the past 2 minutes.
Okay.
And Shelby,
All right.
I got your dad. Tell you later.
No one saved me any cookies.
There's just a whole bunch of more. There's like a whole pack.
Guys, it's starting.
I don't make you some tonight.
No one baked me any cookies.
I'll make you some
Everybody
tonight.
pack up
Alright,
and leave.
I'm gonna be so bad.
No cookies.
What am I doing? Wait, I'm sorry. Oh, wait.
You're looking pretty cute there, Shelby. Go, Arminda.
What happened?
What had happened
No,
was...
Stop, girl, don't you move your hand. Ooh, I hate this connect.
They'll let me know if I need to take someone home. You go upstairs home if you like, okay, babe? I'm
Thank
upstairs asleep, babe. Just wait till y'all let me know. Michelle?
Yes, Dad? Sorry, he said to go.